We'll guide you through how to create a coupon in WooCommerce. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Go to the WooCommerce menu on the left-hand side and click on Marketing, then select Coupons. Here, you'll see a button labeled Add Coupon. Click on it to start creating your new coupon. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a coupon code. This is the code that customers will use to apply the discount at checkout, so make it something easy to remember but unique. Next, you can add a description for your coupon. This is optional, but can be helpful for you to remember the purpose of the coupon or any specific details about it. Now, move on to the coupon data section. Here, you'll find 3 tabs: General, Usage Restriction, and Usage Limits. Under the General tab, select the discount type. You can choose from a percentage discount, a fixed cart discount, or a fixed product discount. Enter the coupon amount, which is the value of the discount. If you're offering free shipping with this coupon, check the box labeled Allow Free Shipping. You can also set an expiry date for your coupon here. Moving on to the Usage Restriction tab, you can set up conditions like the minimum and maximum spend required to use the coupon. You can also exclude sale items if you don't want the coupon to apply to already discounted products. Additionally, specify any products or categories the coupon should be limited to, or exclude any you don't want the coupon to apply to. Finally, in the Usage Limits tab, you can decide how many times the coupon can be used in total, per customer, and more. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click the Publish button to make your coupon live. And there you have it. Your new coupon is ready to be used by your customers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.